Hayden Outdoors is proud to offer the Briggsdale Equestrian and Cattle Ranch. This 318-acre property is a fully functional, brand new equestrian ranch that is done to perfection. The owners purchased the land and built everything from scratch in the last 2 years. Their knowledge and attention to detail is something you won't find with most equestrian properties on the market today. The key to this property is that it was built by a couple who have spent their lives in the business, and their attention to detail is second to none. The property offers incredible mountain and valley views. It is well located just 32 miles from Greeley, Colorado, 36 miles from Windsor, and 41 miles from Fort Collins. This location is remote enough for privacy and just out of reach of the Front Range housing boom, but is 30 to 35 minutes from all that northern Colorado has to offer. The ranch is fully fenced and has a new 2,200 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with fully covered porches and a commercial-grade steel roof. It has an open floor plan, highlighted by a large open kitchen overlooking the dining and living rooms that will hold all your friends and relatives for entertaining. The property is powered by a state-of-the-art solar system with a backup generator. This facility already comes with large barns, corrals, open and covered riding arenas, and is fully fenced. If you're looking for an equestrian property in Colorado, you need to see this property. It is extremely well designed and offers excellent opportunities for other uses as well. Call Seth Hayden or Mike Brown today to schedule a showing.